Okay, so here's a question on exposition for my more experienced writers and authors out there. How do you know you're striking the right balance between providing background and context and world building, but also trusting your reader to get what you're saying? Like, you don't want to be spoon feeding everything to your reader. You want to trust them that they're able to follow what you're saying without detailing every single little thing. But how do you know when you're providing enough context clues for the reader to get it, but then you're not overdoing it? Like, yeah, it's just something that I'm pondering as I'm working my way through the first draft of my first chapter. So if you have any advice, any tips, let me know in the comments. Thank you.